year, we launched the Desmo 450 MX, the first motocross bike in Ducati's history. Now, it's time to make it factory.
Hi everyone, we are ready to tell you some new things about the new Desmo 450 MX factory. Let's go!
This is the Desmo 450 MX factory. The Desmo 450 ready to compete out of the box. The buy on Saturday and race on Sunday bike. We wanted to build a bike ready to face the most demanding races. We chose the finest componentry to save weight. We put on a disc guard, a skid plate to protect it from mud and stones. We have an RK MXU chain with the O-rings, the same that we use on the factory bike that races the Motocross GP to improve reliability and durability. And to make it ready for the grid, there's the hole shot device that compresses the fork to improve stability and acceleration when the gate drops. Last but not least, we dressed it with the special graphics that recalls the factory bike that races the Motocross GP.
So from this factory bike and all the dedicated parts it have, we have the chain with the O-rings. That's also something really important for us, especially in heavy condition. You know, sometimes it's high risk to break the chain during a race, so that's for sure way safer. And a big plus is also the hole shot device. That's a must for us as a rider and racers. And I mean, for have a good start, you have to have it. So yeah, that's for sure needed.
To make a real racing motocross bike, we needed premium suspension. We worked with Showa to get top performance and reliable components. The fork inner tube and the rear shock rod have blue titanium oxide coating to improve the chipping resistance, thanks to the increase of the 60% of hardness. Moreover, with super finishing treatment and dark Kashima coating on the outer tube, we get lower friction to improve the sliding smoothness. Furthermore, to get a lighter front end, we developed machine tripod clamps, made of Ergal aluminum black anodized, that guarantee almost 200 grams of weight saving.
Regarding the suspension, it's really cool that everybody can buy a factory look bike, but it's not only about the look for sure, it's also about performance. The triple clamps are something that improved a lot, and they give a bit more stiffness feeling, so it improves a lot the stability on the high speed zones, so that's a big plus. The fork runs way smoothly, and it's also more resistant as the material treatment is way different. So yeah, it's a plus because during races, yeah, you get a lot of rocks, and it definitely stays better for longer, that's for sure.
The Desmo 450 MX factory has an incredibly high revving engine, thanks to the Desmodromic timing system that allows a more precise valve lift than a traditional coil spring system. This means less gear shift, both while riding and at the start, where it's crucial. But that's not all. The heart of the Desmo 450 was designed to deliver smooth power and a progressive and gradual torque. The result is a feeling of control and confidence that put at ease every rider without sacrificing performance.
The bike is equipped with a full titanium Akrapovic exhaust, with a dedicated map that gives to the Desmo 450 engine a fuller torque curve and improves the power delivery. Despite the added componentry, thanks to the weight saving of 1.7 kilos of the titanium exhaust and thanks to the machine triple clamps, we have got a very lightweight bike with only 104 kilograms.
First time I jumped on this bike, I felt already really good power-wise, as while riding I didn't have the need to change gears, so pretty much in every tag I could stick in third gear and don't change it at all. Regarding the Akrapovic system as well, it gives a bit more power a bit everywhere, I would say, especially torque-wise. It gives a bit more torque power and torque feeling on the bike, which is a big plus, and but also bottom power, it's improved. So for sure, it's a lot of improvement that you can take out of it.
The Comlink Wi-Fi module allows you to connect your bike to your phone and with the Crosslink app, monitor and customize your Ducati dirt bike. The app allows you to modify the riding modes by setting parameters such as the throttle response, the engine brake, the Ducati traction control, and the launch control. Furthermore, with the app, you can monitor the bike status, track the maintenance operations, and with the Wizard, you can get suggestions on suspension setting based on your weight, your riding skills, and track condition.
Well, as most of the time in the year I'm used to train in Belgium and in the Netherlands. It's really deep sand conditions, so there are a lot of line, a lot of bumps, a lot of ruts, and I feel like this bike is really good in there as it follows the lines really well. It's really stable and you don't have to fight the bike as much. I think that with this bike, with little personal adjustment, you can already compete at the highest level in the sport.
As you can see, our model range is growing, as we committed. And one of our main drivers of our commitment is our passion. When you come to the Ducati factory, you will see there's a lot of people that love that sport and that live that sport. Trucks, trailers, caravans, full of motocross bikes, because we love what we do. We wanted to actually transfer that passion and love also to our dealers. Therefore, we have chosen to go for a Ducati Selective Dealer Network. What does it actually mean? It means we choose the best off-road dealers among our dealer network. So we tested our dealers, we made them do assessments, we made them do tests, we made them commit to the project. These dealers had to come to Bologna, the United States, to the United States training facilities to do specific trainings, especially on engine, chassis, and suspension. So you're in the right hands when you're picking up your motorcycle. You're not just loading up on your truck, you're actually getting the support you need, like a factory rider. We have our accessories, and you can already put these accessories on your motorcycle. You can have all the apparel, and you can have our spare parts from your Ducati authorized dealer, which you can find on a dealer locator.
This is the Desmo 450 MX Factory, designed and engineered to get the highest level of performance on every track.
It's been a long day, but I enjoyed this factory bike a lot, and I hope you guys gonna enjoy it as much as I did.
J Factory, scena 3, take 2.
E poi?
Scena 1, take 3, intro Edo Carré, DVP.
Vede che esce.
So che c'è freddo.
Ma in faccia o davanti alla faccia?
Infatti, prova poi di correre veloce anche. Sbagliato l'ultimo.
Scena 3, take 2, Stefano Laurita DVP.